say there's nothing more scarier than sneezing while driving.
I currently have to sneeze and I'm terrified.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Okay, so I'm in the car, right? And I just did something. And it made me think, y'all can relate too. So I'm driving, right? Just cruising, whatever. Out of nowhere, I get that little tingly feeling in my nose. Thank you. Okay, so I know it's about to rain in my nose. It's about to rain. See, that's what I did. That's what I did. Let me tell you. I prayed to God. You wanna know why? Okay, you do? Because I'm driving and I'm Keys. Come on. Cause I like tense up when I sneeze, and and it's dark, and you see this tent. I mean, you see this tent, bro. I cannot sneeze at night or during the day. Hell, I be feeling like I'm gonna die. Like, why did God invent sneezing? Like when God put that little sneeze on me while I'm driving, he be testing me. He do.
Someone dared me to try to sneeze with my eyes open. So I'm gonna try. I just hope my teeth don't come flying out. Oh my god, you ready? Here we go. Keep my eyes open. I'm gonna sneeze. Ready, guys? I couldn't do it. Oh my god. How freaking old am I? I swear to god. I gotta sanitize my whole freaking bathroom now.
Man, I just gotta say, there's nothing more scarier than sneezing while driving. You know? Like when it's a big sneeze and you're like, did I just die in a car accident? Every time.
Biggest thing when you're driving is it's not getting pulled over, it's when you have to sneeze. I currently have to sneeze and I'm terrified because you can't see for a second and it freaks me out.
Y'all, I scared the shit out of myself just now. Like, I sneezed and your eyes closed and like I almost got in a dang wreck. Like, what the hell? I hate when that freaking happens.
Gas.
Okay, so I just sneezed while I was driving with oncoming traffic in the other lane, and I think that is the scariest thing that you can do ever because your life flashes before your eyes. You can't sneeze with your eyes open.
Okay, swear to God, there's nothing scarier than driving and having to sneeze. And then sneezing! Hands down, scariest moment of my life. And we could fight if you think otherwise.
Sorry, I sneezed a little there.
say thank you to all of the Neese tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.